Shamila here. So let's just do a quick run through of what I used for my little pop-up card yesterday on the live with Adonis Anitakis. So I used the Stamperia die ink pad, the WKPR02. This is really, the ink pads are amazing. It's incredible. I love them. And then we used the Welcome Home collection. I don't have the backing sheet anymore. It's somewhere in my craft room, but this is the 8x8 paper pack that I use by Vicky Papanau. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's a tongue twister. Sorry, Vicky. And then we also used both of the ephemera packs. I used mainly this one, and I could have my numbers mixed up. So it's DFLCT 13 and DFLCT 12. Those are the two ephemera packs that I used. Okay, so this is the card we made. I managed to finish the belly band. All I did was I just added the little cat. It comes from the back cover sheet, some of the ephemera there, and the little house, which also comes from the ephemera. Now bear in mind, these are not to scale. It is just for the fun. Here I've got glamour sparkles, which I love. I love these things. They're amazing. And I also added some of the glamour sparkles here. This is a butterfly that I cut out from the back sheet as well. And I put some of the Stamperia, I forget the name. I will link it in the description box or in the comments. I've used the pigment powder there, but I also used, I always forget this name, so forgive me. It's a clear lacquer. And I also added some to the balloon there, just to give it some dimension. It is still drying, by the way. I just decided to do the video while this was drying, otherwise I'm never going to get to it. So when you pull the belly band down, or remove it, we've got the cover sheet, which Adonis helped me put together. And when you open your card, this is what is in the inside. So this literally pops out like that, and I'm going to put it down so you can see the dimension there. And in addition, I added the extra house here, and I added more flowers to the fence and to that house. And over here, I also added some more glamour sparkles. That's the blue one. I don't think there's a purple one, so we went with blue, but it just gives it the extra little bit of texture to your overall design. So that is, oh, let me show you the back. I did add a piece of pattern paper to the back. I thought the one with the bicycle worked really well. So we've got that, and it looks like I got a finger dauber on there. Amen. Sorry about that. Lucky it's the right color, so it's not very visible unless you're looking for it. And that is my card from yesterday's live. I hope you like it, and I hope you're going to try it out yourself. I'd love to see your version of this card on the Stamperia page. And that is it from me, guys. Until next time, see you in cyberspace. Bye now.